Hi guys, so we're currently doing an extraction at Blackpool. I just want to show you this. So obviously in this area here there's been a subfloor vent. Now what's happened is this subfloor vent area here has been filled with insulation, and they've never maintained it, they've never changed it, so this has been blocked with insulation. So when we go underneath the wooden floors, you can see the state of the joists internally here, and you can see how it's all soaking wet and it's rotten because it hasn't been able to breathe for years, because obviously the vent was blocked with the cavity wall insulation. So the joist is absolutely soaking wet and it started to rot. So the customer has probably just caught this at the right time. Obviously now we've cleaned it out there, we'll get a vent in and it'll push some airflow back in there again, but you can see how wet it's all become. So when you have cavity wall insulation and you've got subfloor vents, make sure they change them and sleeve them, otherwise they're going to fill and they're going to stop your subfloors from breathing. It's really common, this, believe it or not, we see it all the time. But there you go, good old cavity wall insulation. Cheers for watching, see you guys.